Hello, I'm Janet Hogan, purpose coach and founder of the Fifth Thor Transformation Process. Now, I'm based in Sydney and sometimes Bali, but a lot of my clientele and a lot of the meetings I have to attend are on the other side of the planet, London, New York, LA. And I know that when I travel, I have a choice. If I fly economy, or as we Aussies like to call it, cattle class, I know that it's going to come at a certain sacrifice, not just of how I feel when I arrive at the destination point. I'm going to feel tired, hungover, even if I've had no alcohol. But more than that, I'm going to waste time. I'm going to spend more time at the destination point, booking an extra day just to start to come back to feeling myself. Whereas if I book business class, it's a totally different experience. I not only feel more energized, more myself, I'm able to hit the ground running. With one good night's sleep, I'm back to where I was, just because I've managed to rest properly during the flight. So the problem has always been, of course, is that the cost of business class hasn't really been, you can't really justify it. You know, if you're talking thousands and thousands of dollars for a return ticket, really, how hard do you have to work then to make all of that up? So it's a bit of a treadmill that we find ourselves on. A lose-lose situation, if you like. And that's how it was for me until I met Gagan and started working with him on how to find affordable business class tickets. And so here's what I've discovered. I've found whole new ways to travel, say, from Sydney to Paris that I didn't know were available, involving a combination of points, but also some insider knowledge about how to book legs of your journey that very few people know about, that will save you thousands, virtually give you a business class ticket for an economy fare. And when you add all of that up and you tee in the amount of time that you're saving, the energy that you're saving, and of course the money that you're saving, suddenly it now opens up a third very doable option. So that's me as a flying working person. But equally, if you're just going on a holiday, no difference. It doesn't matter the purpose of the journey, the end benefit is the same. And it really brings to life that lovely expression, half the fun is getting there. You owe it to yourself, don't you, to give yourself a quality of experience that is very, very pleasurable and enjoyable, not just saving time and money. So if this resonates with you, speak to Gagan. He's an absolute zealot when it comes to finding you the most affordable, time-free, or time-saving rather, option that will get you to your destination feeling energized, ready to hit the ground running, and also grateful that you managed to do this without breaking your bank.